today?
I've been eating some jelly. I'm getting used to Gelli Baff in here.
She's loving it, aren't you, Macy?
Yeah, Macy doesn't really like Gelli Baff, but now she loves it.
Ugh! Tiana, I think you need to release all that jelly.
Release the house!
Oh! Wow! Ah, okay!
Shut up. All you have to do is subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment when you can.
Woo! So it's Gelli Baff challenge then, Tiana?
Yeah.
Macy?
And no matter what, we're both going to get a prize, and that is an LL confetti pot. And we have a bonus prize.
Who's this little ducky then? What prize is he going to get?
He's not getting a prize. He's not playing.
He can help you, you never know. So, 2 prizes.
Bonus prize.
Oh, bonus prizes.
Bonus prizes.
Always. Yes, but Tiana, what are you searching for in the Gelli Baff?
Little jitterbug. Little sisters.
Little sisters.
But the bonus prize are little sisters, but particular ones, and they are little jitterbug and little BB Bot.
That must be these 2.
Yes.
So basically, Macy, Tiana, you get 1 LOL each, no matter what.
Yeah.
Whoever finds,
One of them.
I forgot the names,
Little jitterbug and little baby Bot.
will get an extra LOL.
Yeah! Guys, guess what? LL Confetti Pops, the series of LL Confetti Pops, I need 4 more to collect, not including the wings.
Wow. So we've got 10 to go inside the Gelli Baff.
Yes, that's including them, right?
That's right. So 10.
10.
First one to find.
5.
That's what we do. First one to find 5.
These 2 including points.
That's right.
Yeah.
You ready?
You need to hide them.
I do. Turn around. You know the drill. Let's do it, guys. Oh, this feels amazing. Wow.
It feels different now. Please don't splash me.
I'm not going to splash.
She must have got Macy.
I know she made a mistake there. Oh. Ah. Oh, nearly fell in the bath there. I was joining you. You can guard them. You can turn around. Tiana, Mason, this Gelli Baff is... What have you got again? This Gelli Baff is so thick, you just cannot see these LOLs.
I know it's nearly now.
It is so dark and thick and gooey and slimy and fun.
Yeah! Stop. So, 2 hands, because that would be really annoying doing 1 hand.
And help from ducking.
Yes. First one finds 5. And then this one.
Yes, which are little sisters. Anyone finds any 2 little sisters called...
Little baby Bot.
And bonus prize, LOL confetti pop. You ready?
Yeah.
Over to you.
3, 2, 1, go!
Come on, this is going to be hard. Come on, Macy. Come on, Macy, if you found one, you need to get it. Oh! It's got it! Ah! Where is it? Ah! Tiana!
Guys, I have this one's big sister. I think it's Little Curious Cutie.
Quick mix, girls. Making sure there's no floaties. Oh, floaties. See, guys. Go. Right down. All right, then. You can turn around. Stop spying on the jelly, girls. I can see your eyes looking down. Even SpongeBob watching.
That's not SpongeBob.
Isn't it? I can see, what's his... Yes, it is. I know that's Spongy.
He wasn't on the screen when I looked.
Round.
2, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh! No way.
That one's a little BB Bot.
Little BB Bot.
Yeah!
2 points to Tiana. Macy, come on. You gotta be fast. You gotta be fast. LOLs, LOLs.
Round 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, tactics going on to Macy's side. Macy's going on to Tiana's side. Oh! Oh, no way.
This is little Major, and I have her big sister, and her plaits are so cute and tiny.
Okay, girls, round 4.
Can I turn around?
You can turn around. Macy, you need to start searching deep in the jelly. It's like a swamp.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, come on. Oh, again!
Guess what? This one was... Wait, was it the bonus one? Yeah, it was, but...
That's the other bonus one. That's 4 points. Come on, Macy. There's 10 in there. Well, there's not now, but there was at the beginning.
Round 5, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no, here we go, here we go. Tiana could win on this round. Tiana could win. Come on, Macy. Macy, come on, dig deep. You need to get, I can see, oh, I can see. Oh no!
I felt my leg slipped out my hand, so I went over there and I got this.
Wow, Championa again. Come on. Who's going to beat Tiana? This is just getting silly now, guys. Let's have a look what you got.
I have a big sister, but I forgot her name.
I seen it floating from way above.
Did you?
Yeah, I did. It looked so funny. I've got another challenge for you.
Yeah!
You see this little bottle?
Yeah, it's spices.
Is it spices?
Yeah.
Whoever finds this little bottle will get. So now you've got another chance, Macy. Tiana. Yeah, it's still on. Turn around. I've got to hide this bottle. And it's going to be difficult, guys. Don't you look. So, where should I put this bottle then, guys? There. I'm not sure. Hey! You just spit at me. Right, okay. Turn around, face the wall, because I can see like little eyes there. You nearly hit the camera there. Right, I think to be fair. Right, ready to rock and roll. Whoever finds the bottle gets the LOL pets on my call. 3, 2, 1, go! Look. Come on, Lisa. You can do it. Use the old bath. Hello, Dookie. Checking the duck, Tiana. It's quiet. There's not fast movements. Come on, girls. Dig deep. Dig deep. Dig deep. Who's going to find this bottle? This is going to belong. Oh, no, Macy. Tiana again. Get the LOL pet.
Yay!
It's... No.
It's party time! Celebrity time!
Oh no, here we go. This is where the bathroom gets messy. Oh. It's a swamp.
Start with my confetti pop. Wait.
We've got a lot of cleaning to do after this video, Tiana. Amazing.
No, I don't.
Mum is not pleased with the jelly. Mum, are you pleased with the jelly?
No, so I need some help.
Macy, you can open my pet. Thank you. Yeah. Did you do the second one? Or wait. Macy, you know the LOL pet?
Yeah.
You can keep it.
Thank you.
Since you only got one prize, I'll let me keep
Thank
it.
you for this.
Yeah.
Someone's got to beat you, Tiana, at that challenge. I think I might have to have a go at that.
Well, who's going to put them in?
Mum, I'm going to beat you.
Oh, Mum's going to make it too.
I'm going to beat you at the challenge.
This is slippy.
Yeah, from all the jelly.
Okay. My hair's so messy.
No. So, my message is catwalk.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I got rocket science.
Ooh.
I've had that one so many times.
Yeah, and it's been an ultra rare, hasn't it?
Well, oh yeah, you get that one with the ultra. Oh. I got that one with, what's it called? It's a golden ball! I got a golden ball!
Am I in right?
I know!
You got to the goal one.
That's 3 in a row!
I can't even speak. I'm
I
speaking.
got 3 golden balls in a row!
Mine too got lost.
Maisie, and you could have grabbed this one as well!
Let me see. I need to.
Golden ball!
Oh, she's got another one. What's happening? Matey, you could have had that one. Because there's like, that's how crazy these LOLs are, yeah? You just don't know what you're going to get.
That's 3 in a row!
Wow. Don't scream like that again, you scared me.
And so pissed. Wait, there's only one more ultra I need to get, I think. That's that's black tie. But normally with this one you get Can Do Baby.
Yeah.
So I think it's Can Do Baby.
Maybe.
What did Summer get with hers?
I'm not sure.
Let's see the tattoo. Yeah, this is Can Do Baby, I think. I already have Can Do Baby.
Oh
Imagine the other ball's golden too.
no. Oh, imagine the pet's golden. Ooh. Oh, look at the wee tattoo.
Oh, that's so cute. Mom, can you believe I got 3 golden balls in a row? Oh, I know who I have. It's a duplicate golden ball. It's Can Do Baby.
I haven't got a
Can Do
golden.
Baby does have that bottle, doesn't she?
Yeah. I haven't got a golden
That
ball.
is actually really annoying.
I haven't got a golden ball, but I've got golden doors.
Yeah, they all have golden doors if it's not golden balls.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so annoying. You know how I have a golden ball? It's a duplicate.
Oh, you can give that to me today.
Yeah.
And girls, I'll go and make a start in the bathroom. Getting rid of your jelly bath.
With some snow.
With some snow.
Mum, I'd love to help you, but you know, I was filming Tiana, so I can't help.
I will say
I've
this
got a
way.
bad arm still.
I can't get the door back on. And you can take the doors off, but it hasn't broke. So when you take the doors off, you haven't broke it. I use the scissors because it's really hard to open. Is that all 4? 1, 2, 3.
There is one LOL I really badly want, and that's Angel.
What if I get her in here?
Because she's not an ultra rare.
Mm.
Yep, definitely Can Do Baby.
Okay, I'm going to do the pop now.
Oh, let's see the pop. Whoa!
Whoa!
Scared me, Bruce.
The snow's clearing up now, guys. Snow's clearing up. We're just in the driveway. Well, the patio, should I say.
Driveway.
I know. A bit confused there, wasn't I?
Okay, so I'm going to open my blanket.
That's yours?
Thank you.
The excitement has gone, but it's still a golden ball.
The last time you had one of those, you couldn't pop it though. Let's see if you can pop it, Tiana.
Slippers.
Pop! Pull! See, you're popping it, you're pulling the strings not below it, that's it. Pop it that way. It worked!
Look!
Wow.
Oh, I think I know why. Because the doll gets stuck.
Sometimes it gets stuck, yeah?
Yeah. Because sometimes when I have my LOLs, my doll gets stuck. Can do, baby.
I'm just opening the accessory. Ooh, it's
Doing the splits.
Colour changes.
Oh, no water. You just rub. She's got grey hair now.
Oh, it's keeping healthy.
Okay, I need to clear this all up.
She's cute.
Let's see. Show baby Ivor. She's so cute. Next one. I'm going to dress them at the end.
No.
I always like to do that.
This last one cannot be a gold one.
I hope the pets are golden.
I actually don't want it to be gold.
Can you get golden pets?
Yeah.
I've never seen one of those.
I have one.
Have you? No, I've never seen
I
one.
actually don't want a golden one because I want to get Angel.
What if you do?
You've got Angel, haven't you, Macy?
No.
No, who's got Angel?
Isla.
Isla. Ah, oh yes. I remember now, she had that Angel here, didn't she, on the video? Did she? Yeah. Clue.
I've not got this clue. I've had it once.
What is it?
Wait. Wait on. Pumping iron.
That's the gym.
Yeah.
That's workout. So it's like a gym girl then, yeah?
Do you know any LOL mates that's a gym girl?
Fitness
Yes,
gym.
because I've got one.
There you go.
Clue.
So it's a new one then, T.
Do I have it?
Because there's two that you can get with a clue.
Alright, it's a yellow ball. Okay.
She's cute.
Oh, look at Macy's. That's really
Ivor,
cool.
she's so cute.
Now I'm going to open the pet that's here and do.
I probably keep on getting duplicates because I only need 4 more in a collection of
Oh, that one's really wet.
Jelly wet.
Ew.
Cats rule, dogs rule.
I've had that.
Have you?
Cats rule, dogs drool. I don't think that's true. Dogs are better than cats.
Careful, Macy.
Ooh.
Yeah, watch the scissors. Don't help you there.
Yes, please.
Someone who likes football.
Me. What, you got a Liverpool doll?
No.
You're obsessed with that.
I'm obsessed with Barbie.
Oi.
Barbie love Barbie.
Barbie lover! That's a Barbie lover!
Okay, I think they all know now anyway, Tiana.
Oh, I know who it is. And I have her. I
Now,
think
this layer should be easy because
No?
how could I not think of her? Let me see, is it?
I think, yeah.
Yeah, it is. Shh, I'm not going to tell you.
Pop.
No, I'm not doing the pop yet. I haven't got all the blind bags out.
Okay, so open this.
I haven't seen that one before, that type. Yeah. Has it got like a band around the bottle then, yeah?
It's a soda pop bottle.
Have a look. Oh, it's got a pop on it.
Oh, it's okay. So it's a dog because it's got a bone.
There you go.
This bag's quite big.
Let's see. Wait, they got nothing in I've always wanted that pet.
So have I.
She's so cute.
cute. Is that good?
This has got a good one. Wait, is that golden doors from yours?
Come on, pop. Can I pop it? I've never popped one. I'll open my own. I've never popped. Let Daddy pop it. Let Daddy pop it.
No!
I'm coming to pop. You should let me have a pop. Your fans are saying, let Daddy pop. Let Daddy pop. Let Daddy pop. You used to that, yeah?
Yeah. How did you do that? How did you do that?
I love that. Right, where was I? I'll open you once I may see. Told you, let Daddy pop.
Oh, she's adorable.
Never again.
She's adorable.
So basically, Johnny, you have to be a bit more aggressive with it. Pull it hard.
Okay.
There you go.
She's adorable.
Yeah.
Opening LOLs with Daddy.
So cool that is, Macy. What's this then? Is this another beach inside here? Here we go. Beach.
Let Daddy pop. Never again.
Let me look what her name is.
I know who it is. I know who it is. It's Prince.
Woo!
She's out of the opposites club. Her name's Sugar Pup.
Awesome.
Oh,
Wait, does she have wings?
yeah. Maybe the sun.
Wings.
Oh.
Wings.
Is that Angel's little sister? I mean, pet.
That's a good one then, that isn't it, Mesa? Well done.
Super Scooper. This is my pet Sugar Pup. This is my LOL doll called Show Baby.
I love that name.
Yeah. And this is the one that Tiana gave me, Sprints.
This is my LOL doll Can Do Baby, and she colour changes.
Ooh.
That challenge was so fun, wasn't it, Macy? I love getting that Gelli Baff. I haven't gotten Gelli Baff like that in ages. And also, remember when I went to Smith Toy Superstores and brought all of those LOLs with Macy? I bet you're wondering what I'm doing with them. You've got to wait and find out.
Very soon.
Yeah.
Good face, suspicious.
So stay tuned for that! So, yeah, that's all for today. I enjoyed the Gelli Baff, I couldn't say slime bath.
Well, it was slimy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gelli Baff video! Love you all. See you soon.